What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Regan and this is for Scarlet Miata. Right now we are here at Mazda Makati. As you can see, I've got the handsome and beautiful technicians of Mazda here with me. Say hello guys. Hi! Today we're having a group installation of the Apple Carplay and Android Auto feature for the MX-5s, and we're going to show you how it's going to go and if it's worth it for your MX-5. Let's do this! Most of the cars that come out for the 2019-2020 models onwards would be sporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard, but Scarlet right here is a 2018 model and she still doesn't have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And it's a good thing that Mazda Philippines offer this retrofit for all Mazda models from 2015 up to 2018. And we could put in our Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. In my case, I want Android Auto because I'm on Samsung. And well, we're gonna have the install today, and the person who will do the install for me is none other than Miss Gracia right here.
Louder.
Oh. So Gracia is the one who's going to install the Android Auto in Scarlet, and the whole process would take around gano'ng katagal?
Mga 1.5 hours.
So it's around 90 minutes, 1.5 hours, and after that we'll be able to see how Android Auto plays out on Scarlet. Thank you, Gracia.
Thank you.
Okay, so now we have the software update. The system has restarted already, and we're going to settings, version information. Alright, so we now have, I think this is the latest version of the OS and the music database and the failsafe version. So it's all good. Okay, so at this point, since the software has been updated already, it's now time to remove the old USB socket. I think that charges only for 1 ampere, and they're going to replace it with a new USB port that would charge your devices for 2.4 amperes. The thing is, I can't show you how it's going to be done, guys. So what I'm going to spare you with the details. It's just that they're going to remove some panels of the car and put in the new USB ports, and then we'll take it from there. So we're just gonna head straight to the end of that installation. All it took is around 10 minutes to remove all the panels and install the new 2.4 volt or ampere USB port. And now they are, as you can see, they're now installing the panels again. So it's all done. That's why you always have to have these kinds of things installed in your local dealer, Mazda dealer, because these guys are professionals, they know what they're doing, and if ever they screw up, they can always replace the part for free. Okay? Yan. Okay. Allow. Allow. Alright, continue. Okay, what's happening? Android Auto, this one. Okay, allow. Alright, alright, what happened, what happened? Woo! What's that? For the road ahead. Use steering wheel, can you just skip this? Say okay Google. Wow, okay, so I just said Google open Waze and it just opened Waze. That's so awesome. What is the home button? And go down. This is navigation, and then pero bakit yung kabila meron silang apps dito sa gilid?
That's for Apple.
Apple yon. Okay.
You wanna try the Apple?
Kaso wala akong Apple eh.
I have yung phone ko para you could see it also.
Okay. So we're gonna try Apple Carplay. That was Android Auto. It takes a little bit of learning to get to master it, but I believe spending some time with it, I'd be able to get the hang of it. So we're now going to Apple Carplay just to see how it goes. Wow. So this is Apple Carplay, and I hate to say this because I've always been an Android and Google fan, but man, Android sucks compared to CarPlay. Well, this is really nice. Alright, so there you have it. That was the install of Apple CarPlay Android Auto in Scarlet. It took around an hour and a half, just like what Gracia said. It's just 90 minutes, an install for 90 minutes, and it was all done here at Mazda Makati, all with complete dealer warranty. And I'd like to say a special thank you to the technicians of Mazda Makati, the people at my back. Zoom! Alright, everybody, see you again in the next video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, the install is already done, and now we are at the responsible part of the install, and that is paying for the install. And I'm here with my friend from Mazda Makati, Linel Reyes. There's Linel. She's also an avid subscriber, Scarlet. So if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe right now. Hit that subscribe button.